it is the management and leadership of these parties which can either pull the country together and walk towards prosperity or drag the country in a terrifying condition. As we talk about the role of the CPC in China, which has been definitely very positive and promising, which led to the success and a miraculous victory and achievement of the CPC and the Chinese people, I think it is trust, dedication, compassion, devotion, and above all, honesty of the CPC leadership that has led to the historical 100 years of experience. The world has witnessed China's poverty eradication campaign, where multi-million people were elevated from poverty, and as per the commitment, China is poverty-free as we speak, which is nothing less than a miracle and an example of true hard work and commitment. Building a community with shared future truly defines the ongoing development on the Belt and Road Initiative, in which the Chinese leadership has not only established economic ties with developing countries, but also extended high level of interest in the public welfare projects from which the lesser developed areas of the host countries have had speedy development in the road connectivity and other urgently required programs for human development and making life easy for the citizens. This kind of detailed interest in the development of the common man's life can only be noticed by dedicated leadership such as the CPC. I think what he means is that he will work for the well-being of his people selflessly, where his self doesn't matter, dedicating his life for the people to bring up their well-being, and that can only be done by a selfless man. He's a selfless man who has worked for his nation, basically, and we need such leaders all across the world. Being an iron brother, friend of China and a friendly working partner after CPC, it is truly an honor, and we really take pride in saying that we have a credible, reliable and trustworthy relationship where mutual interest and mutual respect is always the number one priority.